Friends, today I'm going to discuss about the topic called my learnings in life transformation journey. So this is one of the difficult topic to me because I have not prepared anything yet. So I just came in front of my camera and started the video recording and just saying that. So let's start this actually. So what is the one thing that I have learned predominantly from the life transformation journey is the implementation, guys. So taking action of all the things. So we know all these things. We know the meditation, we know the pranayams, we know putting the goals and visualizing the goals and thinking about that goals and exercising. But we have not done yet till now, right? So I know all these things generally, but I have not done yet. But life transformations made me to do that actually. It's making me to do that every single day, right? So it's not that you implemented on one day, guys. You implemented on the few days and just leave it out. It's combined with the discipline and the consistency. You need to do at this specific period of time. At this point of time, you need to sit and implement the action, right? And again, the consistency should be there. Imagine this feel actually. There is a discipline, nothing but you just sit at one point of time every day doing the same action regularly. Means the discipline is there, the consistency is there, and you are taking the implementation. With these amazing things are getting here, with this amazing thing. So I profoundly known that there is a discipline and there is a consistency with the massive action. I'm taking the implementation, I'm seeing the result, guys, at everywhere, anywhere. So start from my bed actually. So I'm getting up before the 5 o'clock. Usually at 4:30 to 4:45 I'm waking up, right? So I get up with a smile and doing the gratitude practice. That's the first greatest thing to do, guys. So life transformation has given me the thought of smiling at first thing in the morning, and doing the gratitude exercises in the morning made me feel throughout the day I'm just happy and gratitude of all the things that are happening to me, right? So one of the greatest things of the days of the life transformation journey. And affirmations is the beautiful thing that you believe something. So it always contradicts with the negative beliefs and makes the positive beliefs more predominant in your brain, guys. So it changes the belief systems. So the next thing I am doing after the gratitude practice is reading the affirmations, listening the affirmations actually. So while doing again and again, I noticed that there are so many changes in my brain. Usually I used to have lazy to do the work. Right now my mind is telling you are not at all the lazy. Come on, wake up, do the work, do the first thing, do very small things, focus on one thing at a time. All these things are telling. So previously I was very lazy to wake up also at right timings. I know I want to get up at 5 a.m. but I couldn't able to get up at 5 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. But this time not, because of the affirmations. It gives me the positive build-ups. Often than what we do the pranayams, we do the meditations, right? Pranayams give me the inner energy, guys. It gives me the inner energy generally. So when I'm doing the pranayams, I feel lighter actually. So not all the body, but at least some of the places I feel lighter, on my hands, my brain, or the chest part. So it's an amazing feeling while doing the pranayams, guys. And guess what? After the meditation section, meditation is one of the key part to control our thoughts. I really grateful about the meditation, guys. So to implement that meditation actually, because it makes me realize what my thoughts should be in that day, throughout the day actually. So wonderful thing that is, right? After then we are doing the exercises make us our energy levels at a high level throughout the day, putting throughout the day again. So we are making the cold shower to be active throughout the day, to get those atoms will be in the energetic position. So we are doing the cold shower. After that, we are coming into our goal section. We filled up our goals throughout areas of our life. We filled up with career section, health section, again financial section, contribution sections, fun and adventure sections. We are feeling it. With feeling, our belief system gets strong. We are going to take the massive action. Daily we are doing that. Daily our belief system is getting stronger. This is wonderful technique to reach my goals as fast as possible towards going through that, right? So not only believing, guys, I'm going to plan my day. Because of the action hour, I'm planning my day. What are the things I need to be done in a day to get my things to be achieved? So after I prepared my action plan, I'm more focused on that. I know with practice it will be get higher. Actually, it will be more perfectionist. Right now I'm doing little bit. So laziness, I know that, but still it is going so great compared to previously actually. So that's the fun of the main thing, guys. So again, after we have done all the work throughout the day using the action hours, what are the things we put in the action hour, what are our priorities to be done in the day, again we are doing the exercises. It makes me more energy to work on the night also, guys, to do the things, what are the things to be done at night time also. After that, so I'm feel grateful about the day. When I retrospective about the day means, definitely I felt very grateful about the day. I'm feeling greatness about the day, right? So these are the amazing things happened in my life after the life transformation came into my life. So absolutely grateful, guys. So right now I'm sleeping without my phone. I put my phone on my desk and sleeping. That previously I used to sleep with my phone and surfing in the internet. I know that was a bad practice. Still, I couldn't be control that actually. But right now it's not the situation. I am in my control position. I can do that actually. I put my phone at any place and I'll sleep perfectly. So start off from the bed to the going to the bed. It's entirely changed my life, guys. I'm really grateful about how it came to me. I don't know, but it came to me, and it's grateful things happen in my life. It just unpacking my life to the fullest, to know what I am and what I can achieve, to do what my life is, to do what in my life is generally. So thank you for the life transformation, and I feel because of the August 15th, I want to be end this video with one of the quote actually that came from great Abdul Kalam sir. So I just tell that quote first. So when there is a righteousness in the heart, there is a beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, there is a harmony in the home. When there is a harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is an order in the nation, there is peace in the world. Become that righteous guy, guys. Once you lifted yourself, you lift your whole family. Once the whole family is lifted, again it lifts the whole nation actually. Once it lifts the whole nation means similarly it lifts the whole world into the peace. Thank you Life Transformation for giving me amazing results, amazing implementations in my life. So thank you so much. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.